So user interface, board display. Let's check all of that. And then, so the problem with this board, it's not the display is dead, and transformer is good. Supply. Let me see here. Yeah, high voltage. Make sure everything's good. Everything good. We're gonna test the capacitor. How many capacitor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The value 1000. This one. Ano ba to? Ano to? Nakita. This one 2.2 and 33. Okay, 2.2 and 33. Alright, we're gonna test using our special tools. Check natin. We're gonna check the capacitor. Start with the okay. Yeah, good. 191 microfarad, good. Good. 900. This one is 1000. You see, you should be getting at least 1000. Let's check the other one. This should be 33 microfarad and 2.2. There's always tolerance. Let's check the other one here. Yeah. This one, 2.2 nanofarad. It doesn't have a reading. Okay. Let's verify that if this thing is a good capacitor or open. That's good. This one looks defective because the working capacitor should have a reading like this. Okay, so this one is defective and this one is shorted. We're gonna replace. Okay, replace both and test the board. So we have to squish in. I'm just gonna put something underneath to hold it. Okay, good. Perfect. Well, this one, natanggalin to. I have to remove this one. This one is defective. Where's the pump? Alright. Konti na lang. Okay, we got it out. Clean the hole. Okay. Ayun. The next step will be just cutting the excess contacts. Are we good with this one? Let me test.
Alabe. Kailan na medyo na-book? Ay! Ito isa. Diyan mo habol. Hindi ito. Nalima na ako dyan.
We're done. Yung gold na thermostat, yeah, I have that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Damit on na ni Sir Robert.
Yeah, I have that.
With VR.
Okay, turn off. Turn off.